Well, good morning, magandang umaga.
Ohayo.
And welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream, day 5 here in Tokyo. This morning we're starting out a little different. We're actually already down in downtown Tokyo in Ginza, and we're going to do one of the places I always like to shop if they have it in that city, and that is our first stop of the day is at Apple. We're going to the Apple store in Ginza. So you ready? Well, without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Here we are at the entrance of Shinaka Mise. This is probably one of the neatest experiences I think we're going to have for shopping in downtown Tokyo here. It has many stores, many restaurants, ice cream, coffee houses, you name it. And they have something that I'm in search of, and that's the traditional, what do you call the kimono type thing for the men? Jinbei. And that's sort of like, it's kind of like pajamas, Japanese pajamas, and I'm looking for a pair of jinbei Japanese attire.
You see the price.
Please, mirror. Come here, point mirror. Okay, our drinks came in, and this has
Amasake.
And I have
Yeah, this is so good.
Shiko is the iconic pose where they squat, raise a leg, hold it up high, and then powerfully slam it down into the dohyo, and that's when you say, Yosha. Yosha! Yosha! Tells them that nobody has been eliminated, and it encourages them to keep going. Yosha! Haku! You'll have your chance to wrestle him in just a moment, girls. We can put all three of you in one costume.
Give him some love, ladies and gentlemen.
And that was just the warm-up that they had between two sumos. They really haven't been challenged yet. So in just a moment, they're going to be challenged with their biggest challenge ever.
Side, shift your weight, your legs. One more time, lift your leg and Yosha! Okay! All right, if challenger number one can stay up on the dohyo, and if the rest of the challengers can find a seat, please. Throw the salt in the air. Yosha! Trying to blind the guy. And Hakyori! Start! Nagota! 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 Good idea, girls! Gang up on him! Take out all your teenage angst! Try harder, this is going on TikTok! One down, one to go! Be in the wedgie!
enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.